Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be comparing Notion with Microsoft Loop, which is the ultimate team productivity app. So let's get right into it. Notion is a gentle learning curve and an intuitive drag and drop interface. It is super friendly, beginner friendly once you get the hang of blocks. On the other hand, Microsoft Loop, it is evolving but very clean. If you're in the Microsoft ecosystem already, it feels familiar and seamless, especially with Outlook and Teams. Now, Loop keeps things simple. It uses components that can live inside emails or chats. It's modern and sleek, but not as flexible in layout as Notion. So if you talk about Notion's customization and design, it has tables, Kanban, boards, wikis, databases, you name it. It has everything. You can build pretty much anything on it. So if you talk about team collaboration, as you can see over here, Notion is great for documentation and asynchronous work, perfect for remote teams. Loop, on the other hand, focuses on real-time collaboration. You can co-edit Loop components live and updates reflect instantly across Microsoft apps. It's more dynamic for quick brainstorming agile teams. So now talk about pricing. So Loop is included in Microsoft 365 subscriptions. So if your team already uses Office tool, it's basically free as it's included in everything which comes in the package of 365. As you can see over here, these are the basic plans starting from $6 a month to 8.5 to $22 per month if you want a premium one. The business people can also get $8.25 one. Now, if we talk about Notion is a solid free tier for individuals and small teams with paid plans which offer more storage and access control. As you can see over here, the basic plan is free and it can go up to $15 per month for business people and can also go to enterprise people, which depends on your features you want to avail. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.